So once again, welcome you all in this particular video, guys. My name is Surya sir, and today we'll talk about Maharashtra B.Ed CET 2022 and 23. Guys, if your aim to pursue the Bachelor of Education in 2022 and 23, you should be aware about the topmost institutes in the Maharashtra. So to enter into the Maharashtra-based colleges, you have to crack Maharashtra B.Ed CET, and in this video, we'll talk about top 10 colleges. So which are all those? Guys, wanna enter into the topmost institutes? Then we have launched the batches for the preparation. So let's start the preparation with us. This is the courseware. What you will get? You will get the books or study materials which will be delivered within 7 working days at your home once you join the program. You will get access for the mock test series, topic test, sectional test, and the full length mock test with respect to each particular topic, with respect to each particular section. That is nothing but mental ability, English, general knowledge, and the teacher's aptitude. And the full length mock test, it is nothing but your complete replica of your Maharashtra B.Ed CET and the EL CET. So total 10,000 plus questions will be there. Lot of data for the practice purpose. You will get the live interactions, pre-recorded video class. From that you can make your base strong and the doubt solving class. You will get the mentorship by our exam experts and the toppers, where you will learn lot of things from there, and syllabus will be taught such as the English, mental ability, general knowledge, and the teacher's aptitude. And major focus will be on the general knowledge part. Guys, it is too vast. So if you have to score maximum marks, then guys, you should be adhered to the static GK and the current affairs part. Reading comprehension part, where you can maximize your score, and the logic and the puzzle, the mental ability. After result, you will get complete guidance for the admission process, and that is nothing but the cap round process. So guys, we already launched the cap round program. Link I already mentioned in the description. You can check the link and you can avail the facility of the cap round process. Now, thereafter, quiz workout. There will be strategy building sessions and the chief mentor session from our experts. You will get interaction with the toppers and the various podcasts we already upload on the YouTube. So guys, to get all these features, live class videos, books, mock tests, mentorship, and admission process, you can call or WhatsApp on 8828581455, and you can visit our website manvodu.com/B.Ed entrance. So guys, batches we already launched. Now you can enroll for the batches. So you are just one call behind. Guys, call on our board line number and avail all the facilities. Definitely you will get the top college in the Maharashtra. So which are all those top colleges? The top 10 colleges are nothing but the BTTC, KJ Somaya, St. Xavier's College of Education, Hansraj Jivandas College of Education at Khar Road, TSCR, the Thakur Shyam Narayan College of Education and Research, ACCR Adarsh Comprehensive College of Education and Research, thereafter D.Y. Patil College at Akodi, Marathwada Mandal College, Aurangabad, SNDT University, and the Gandhi Shikshan Bhavan Surajbagh College of Education at Juhu. So guys, these all are the top colleges. And now, how much score is required? Guys, you have to score around 90 to 100 plus to get easily entered into these all top colleges. And guys, BTTC के लिए competition बहुत tough है. So you have to score around 120 plus mark to get seat into the BTTC. And guys, all these colleges have the respective specialization. B.Ed आपको करना है, आप उनके साथ साथ specialization भी कर सकते हो in various other fields. Disabilities में भी कर सकते हो, कुछ deficiencies में भी कर सकते हो. Now took the screenshot of this, guys. आपके पास आपके top 10 कॉलेज की लिस्ट तैयार होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि guys प्रिपरेशन आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से किया है, राइट? प्रिपरेशन करना भी है और इन सारे कॉलेजेस में हमें जाना भी है, क्योंकि हमें वो सीट चाहिए जहां से हमारा करियर सेट हो सके. गाइस, लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स वी ऑलरेडी पुट टू क्रैक द एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स. गाइस, नाउ यू शुड बी अडेयर टू दैट पर्टिकुलर सीट इन द टॉप कॉलेज. बस वहीं पढ़ना है गाइस, टॉप कॉलेज ओनली, क्योंकि टॉप कॉलेज ही आपको सबसे बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट पैकेजेस देने वाला है. गाइस, ओके, सो दीज ऑल आर द टॉप कॉलेजेस, द टॉप 10 इंस्टीट्यूट्स इन महाराष्ट्र आफ्टर क्रैकिंग महाराष्ट्र B.Ed CET. गाइस, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स, जस्ट ask me in the below comment section. We'll try to answer all of your queries. और preparation के लिए कोई भी तकलीफ हो रही, guys, don't worry about the preparation at all. Call on 8828581455 or visit our website manvodu.com. For all exam updates and notifications, you can also follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's it, guys. All link are mentioned in the description. Kindly check those links and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because यहाँ और भी बहुत सारे videos आने वाले हैं, guys. So that's it. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.